to another Dollar Tree haul with the Viv. Now this evening, I have so many things for Valentine's Day. I'm getting ready for Valentine's Day, picking up things to make different baskets. So I just wanted to share with you some of the things. I've got this huge bag here full of things that I'm going to use for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to be pulling things out the bag. It's not in any order. Okay, first I got these little heart candies to put in some of the baskets. Then I found these cute little bears. To put in some of the baskets. And now this container, I got this container to do one of the baskets with. I'm going to put a bear in here with some Bath and Body Works items and a candle in this. All right. Let's see. Okay, and then I found these hearts and one Love Basket Express. I think her name is Elena. She had made these with the little foam roses, so I'm going to try to make some of these hearts with the roses on them. So I grabbed them. Then I got these little picks with the little hearts in them and the roses. And I found these glitter hearts is 5 pieces. It's 2 of the smaller ones, and then 2 more, the next size, and then there's 1 great big one. So I got a couple of packs of these to put on the baskets. Then I got this tissue paper. I got this one with the big hearts and the pink. And I got this one with the little hearts and the red. Okay. I got some more of these little tins. I got this one and this one. And I got some of these Lindor's truffles to go in some of the baskets. And they had these heart nail files. It's a 3-piece set. What else do I have in here? Okay, let's take this one out. I got this ribbon and it says, "You're my person." So I grabbed that. And they had these makeup blender sponge, and you get 3 in a pack. I bought some more ribbon with the hearts on it. And I got this with the XO and the hearts. Then I got these Hershey's Kisses to go in some of the baskets. And I'm going to use these to make a basket with. Oh, let me see. Oh, goodness. Then I got this sign that says, "Be my Valentine." I really like this one. So I grabbed that one. I'm starting to run out of room here on the sofa. And I got this one. Isn't this pretty? And it says love, and it has the little flowers up there. I thought that was really nice. And I grabbed this sign that says love. Okay, still got quite a few more things. I already showed you this ribbon. Then they have these little sets, and it's a shower gel and 3 bath bombs. And the shower gel is that vanilla scented? Yes, and it's by Crystal Waters. Look at that. I thought that was a cute little set. I'm trying to get that ring light out of. With the shower gel and the bath bombs. All right. I found this tubing to make some bows. So I got the red and the darker pink and the light pink. Then, of course, I got my favorites, the Smarties. Now, these are supposed to go in some of my baskets if I don't eat them, because I ate 2 boxes of the other pack I had. All right. Now, these have been on my wish list for a long time. I seen Felicia from Birth and Bosses with Felicia. She had found these Dove bath bombs, and it's a 2-pack. And I have been looking for these for a long, long time. And they finally came to my Dollar Tree. So I picked up quite a few of these. All right. Then I got some more ribbon. Some of this ribbon I'll be tying around the neck of the larger teddy bears. And I got these masks. This one is glowing watermelon sheet mask, and this refreshing rose water foaming mask that I'm going to use also. Then I found this bath bomb, and it's a heart by Crystal Waters. I'm almost done, almost done. Then they had these whipped body butter. So I got the fresh watermelon and aloe, and I got the tropical hibiscus. And this is the whipped body butter. And I bought these little chocolate hearts. This is milk chocolate. And I found this pumice stone in the shape of a heart. Look, and there's a stone back there. This would be good in one of the spa baskets. And last but not least, I found some little containers to make our baskets with. That one, and then I found this one. This says, "Be Mine." And this one has hearts. And one more. Oh, no, I got one more after this. This one says, "Love." Then I found this little heart container that I'm also going to use for a basket. Okay, that's all I have. It was quite a bit of stuff. I thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. All right, I hope each and every one will have a blessed day. Bye.